Well, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be going through a tutorial on the Casio Classpad fx-CP400, and the topic will be on continuous random variable. Okay, so let's get started. So the question is, the life x hours of a type of light bulb has a probability density function with the rule of fx equals to k over x squared, x bigger than 1000, and then 0 for x less than or equals to 1000. So part A is to evaluate what k is, and part B is to find the probability that a bulb will last at least 2000 hours. Okay, so let's get started. So on the class pad, so the first thing is define what the fx is. So you can do that by pressing math3 and then define and then fx, and then use the this one here, to get the composite function. And then once you define your fx, this is what it looks like. I've highlighted there. So fx, define fx is equals to k is over x squared, x bigger than 1000, and then 0 for x less than or equals to 1000. Um, so once that's defined, then go to solve, which is under math 3. Then put the integral in. So to get the integral, you go to math 2, which is this one here. So press that for the integral. And then define it as from 1000 to infinity. Um, and put the f of x dx equals to 1, and then put comma k. Or you can put the actual function in. So, and then the infinity sign, you can get it from math 2 as well. So that's the infinity sign there. And then, yeah, so once you've put the solve function in with the integral equals to 1 and solve for k, you get k is equals to 1000. So that's what you should be putting into your class pad there, solving for k, and you will get k equals to 1000. Okay, so that's part A. And then for part B, so for part B is to find the probability that a bulb will last at least 2000 hours. So in that case, you're changing the lower bound to 2000, and still upper bound is to infinity. And then now you know your k equals to 1000. So you can replace k with 1000 in the actual function, and put dx at the end, and you should get the answer as 0.5, like so. And that's it for the questions. So if you got any further questions on this using Casio ClassPad FX-CP400, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next session. Okay, I'll see you later.